At CallSource, we don't just give you some program and send you on your way. Our advisors and customer care specialists work with your veterinary hospital every step of the way, so you can turn your advertising into profitable, lasting relationships. Results makes it easy by instantly collecting and interpreting data for calls that come into your veterinary hospital. It filters out all those non-prospect calls, so you know how many true leads your advertising is really bringing in. Results calculates your cost per lead by advertising source and even shows you lead to conversion rate by employee. It's simple, really. Results lets you know what advertising works and what doesn't, so you can invest in marketing that truly works. Results even alerts you to any potential missed opportunities on your computer or your smartphone, so you have the chance to re-engage with them, discuss their needs, and ensure their satisfaction. Our advisors work with your team, continually reviewing, measuring, and reporting on their performance, and recommend specific individualized training to strengthen and improve their telephone skills and lead to conversion percentage. Results is a winning combination of personal performance management, solid business metrics, and client-saving technology that's sure to set your veterinary hospital apart from the competition.